Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ventilating and assembling materials. This prevents inhaling fumes and speeds drying. Mix one white vinegar and distilled water in a spray bottle because acidity helps dissolve mineral buildup that causes white cast. Test the mixture on a hidden tile area for 2 minutes to check grout and sealant compatibility. Once done testing, spray a 2-3 tile section, let sit 2-4 minutes. Then scrub gently with a nylon brush to lift deposits without damaging glaze. Now you tackle tougher deposits by alternating methods. Spray vinegar, wait, then scrub. For persistent haze, apply a baking soda paste to act as a mild abrasive and chemical neutralizer. Work in small sections so the paste doesn't dry, and scrub along grout lines where buildup concentrates. Make sure to rinse frequently with clean water to prevent residue redepositing. If a raised deposit resists, use a plastic scraper at a low angle. This removes material without scratching the tile surface. You finish by rinsing the entire area thoroughly and drying with a microfiber cloth to reveal any remaining white cast. Water spots are easier to spot when dry. Once tiles and grout are fully dry, apply a grout sealer to grout lines to reduce moisture penetration and future mineral buildup. If haze persists despite vinegar, baking soda, and mechanical cleaning, consider a commercial tile descaler or call a professional. This often means deep mineral infiltration or a...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.